Hey, what's up everyone, and it's been a while since I posted a video here in my account. So just to give you an update, I'll be joining the AUDAX 200 this coming December 4 in Subic. Let's just do a quick bike check on my current setup, and ito yung gagamitin natin for the event. So this is my Cervelo Aspero. This is a 2020 frame. So yeah, this is a size 54. Let's start with the cockpit. This is a Prime Orra Aero carbon gravel handlebar. As you can see, may slight flare siya. I think this is around 18 degree. This is a carbon stem also from Prime. And this is my saddle, Prime Primavera Shorty carbon saddle. Short saddle siya, so medyo komportable siya for long rides. And I'm also using a Prime carbon seat post. I have this strap bolt on top tube bag, so wala siyang naka-expose na strap kasi nga naka-bolt siya dun sa frame. Ilalagay natin dyan yung mga gels, mga bars, yung mga nutrition natin for the ride kasi nga medyo mahaba siya, so hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan yung mga yon. And I'll be using these bottles from Camelbak. Syempre, long ride, kailangan natin insulated para at least malamig yung tubig natin, since yung ride natin is aabutin siya ng 12 noon, I think. Another essentials is this, yung Varia natin. Since mostly nasa highway tayo, kailangan natin maging visible and mag-start yung ride ng mga 4 o'clock So kailangan talaga ng ilaw. Also this, I'm using a Garmin front light. For the tires, I'll be using this one, Grand Prix 5000 STR. This is the hookless version of the GP 5000. Since ang gamit kong wheelset is Zipp 30TS. For the size, I'm using 32C. Kaya naman niya i-accommodate lang until 42C. Pina-maximize ko lang yung pinaka-wide na available tires for this model, since maganda siya, okay siya for long ride, comfortable, and kahit slick siya yung grip niya, maganda din talaga. For my drivetrain, I'm using GRX 810. STI also is GRX. This is 4831. Yung chain natin is hindi siya Shimano. This is YBN. Actually, medyo nag-experiment ako sa chain saka sa cassette, and yung cassette natin I'm using ZTTL 1136 para may baon tayo sa ahon kasi hindi talaga ako malakas. Hindi tayo climber. Weekend warrior lang tayo. Yung RD natin GRX also. Basically, that's it. So, see you this weekend sa Subic. And ride safe everyone.